Hello viewers, welcome to Smart Agro Innovation, your channel that gives much inspiring ideas in the field of agriculture. Today we are inside our pig stall, and I told you we started a journey with you, and this is how fast our pigs are growing. Lucky enough for us, the female is pregnant, as you can see. Pregnant. We brought them in just 3 months ago, and this is how you see them. This is the male. We started the journey. They were very tiny. They were very smallish. Through proper management, I tell you, we integrate their feeding. We feed them the normal rice bran with all the necessary food nutrients in their right proportion, taking into consideration the palm kernel cake, fish meal, the pawpaw, which serve as a source of vitamin. What you see here now is the plantain leaves, cassava leaves, all those things. So we try to, integrate their feeding, and we've also been giving them the necessary drugs, vitamins, drugs responsible for ectoparasites, endoparasites, everything. I will come to the drugs administration, but that will be a topic on its own. Today, we came to update you on the performance of our pigs. As you can see, how they are feeding, how you see the way they have been able to build up. You can see that the feed conversion efficiency is on point. We give them vitamins, we give them all the, sometimes we bath them, and you have seen our previous videos. I told you this is a mega project we want to do, but at Smart Agro Innovation, we believe in starting small while we gather the ideas to move. So we started with this, and now our sow is pregnant. I tell you, very soon we are going to have new piglets, and that is what I want everybody to know, that we started so small, and now at a point in time we are moving towards success, as you can see. So there are a lot possible. So this is the right update from our pig farm. Very soon we are going to expand the farm, and I tell you, it is going to be something. This was for practical purpose. We wanted to see how the whole thing will go. We don't believe completely in literature and start writing proposals to believe in that. Whichever thing that we want to do, we start small, and at a point in time we gather all the necessary data that will give us the requisite skills and the requisite information that may be needed for the progress of our commercial farm. So the little that we started, this is the results. We saw them, how small they were. They were so smallish, but today if you look at their size, at least you can see that there is progress. This is our pig farm. We integrate our feeding principles. We give them greens, that is vegetables. We give them fruits. We also give them the normal feed supplement that will help maintain their growth and development. Yes, we will not hide anything from our subscribers and viewers. We started with you some 3 months ago, and this is the progress results that we've had. You know, we did not think that these are the same pigs that we started some time ago. This is the female, and it's a sign of pregnancy. Yeah, so that is the gestation period. So very soon we are going to remove the female from this particular pen and give it another pen while we maintain the male in here. Yeah, and then we prepare the female for labor. So that is how the whole thing goes. It's really amazing. It's been a nice journey. Yes, if you hear something in the field of agriculture, you want to go into anything, I want you to take this from me. You want to go into any agribusiness, start small, start from somewhere, gather all the necessary information, and that will guide you to wherever and whichever thing you want to do. Yeah.